Hello, welcome to the bi-monthly Captain's Corner. To give you an update where we're at in Olympic area, we're at a 13.2% reduction in serious violent crime and property crime. Again, what does that mean? That means to date, that's 545 less serious property and violent crimes in Olympic Division. So that's a good thing. I really wanted to thank the residents, the people that work and play in Olympic, our stakeholders, and the people that we work with to make Olympic safe. We've had a great year. We look forward to going into 2012 to even have a better year. This month, I just want to talk about some really simple holiday safety tips for your home, your family, and while you shop, so you have an enjoyable holiday. So when keeping your home safe, we want all our homes to reflect the joyous season, but avoid displaying gifts that can be seen from your window and doorway. This just invites crooks to maybe want to burglarize your house. If you're not home to receive packages, please arrange to have them delivered to a neighbor's house that you trust. Packages left on doorsteps and in porches are easy pickings for thieves. Consider simple outside decorations. Elaborate or large lawn pieces, which really display the joyous season, are tempting things for thieves to want to steal. Be sure not to obscure your windows. You need a clear view of your property. So you need to also be able to see out to see if there's suspicious people. So please don't obscure that. Always lock your home's doors and windows. Again, unlocked doors, unlocked windows are invitations to criminals to burglarize your home. When leaving town, please have a trusted friend pick up your mail or your newspaper deliveries. It's not really a good idea to cancel deliveries because sometimes criminals actually find out about these cancellations and use that in order to burglarize your home. So ask a trusted neighbor just to pick it up so it seems like everything's the same at your home. Notify your local police department. In other words, here in Olympic, you can notify us if you're going out of town, and we'll do what we call an extra patrol for the time that you're gone for your property. Keeping your neighborhood safe. First, share these tips that I've talked about. If your neighbors don't watch this webcast, you can share these tips with your neighbors. Establish a network with your neighbors. We have neighborhood watches here in Olympic Division that are trusted people that are looking out for the good of your neighborhood. The holiday tips for keeping your neighborhood safe are pretty much for keeping your neighborhood safe year-round. We encourage the Olympic residents to get involved in their local neighborhood watches. When you get involved in these neighborhood watches, not only do you work on crime issues, but you work on those issues that keep the neighborhood looking good. So we encourage you to get involved in your neighborhood watch and share the holidays with your neighbors. As you go shopping to the various places for the holidays, we ask you to always lock your car. Here in Olympic area, we call it the Hide It, Lock It, Keep It program. I've talked about it in prior webcasts. Please hide your valuables, lock them away in either the trunk or in your glove box as you leave your car, and make sure that you close your windows and lock those cars, because those are easy pickings for bad guys and for thieves. Try to go shopping with a friend. It's always good to travel in pairs. Your partner in shopping. So please go with a friend, don't do it alone. Stay alert to your surroundings, be calm and look people in the eye. Criminals tend to pick victims that are looking away and not paying attention to their surroundings. So kind of look at your surroundings. Be careful with your purses and wallets. Many times people set them down for a very short time thinking that they're secure, and criminals who are watching shoppers knowing that there's money in them and people are out buying goods will wait for that person to leave their wallet or their purse sitting somewhere and then just take it and leave with it. Avoid carrying large amounts of cash. It's actually better to take several shopping trips with smaller amounts of cash if you're going to be paying for your purchases with actual cash. Avoid street vendors when you're looking to buy stuff. Many times the street vendors, unfortunately, have counterfeit goods and there's no warranty on these things. Park in well-lighted areas. This is just for your safety. Sometimes when you get there during the day, we don't think about it, but by the time we get done with our shopping, it's nighttime. So again, it gets back to taking a look at your surroundings and make sure that you park somewhere where there's lamps that are covering that parking lot. Also, keep your credit and identity safe. Many times during the holiday season, if you write checks, please only include the very minimal information required by the vendor. That usually includes the name, address, and your phone number. Never give anyone your social security number. Safeguard your credit cards and cash as you do. Do not leave them in pockets in your jacket or sitting at the table in your restaurants as you stop to get a snack during your shopping time. Keep your purses and wallets on you. Shoulder straps should cross your body. Do not dangle from your shoulders. These are easy for people to run up and just grab them. If you actually strap them across, it's harder for thieves to just pull them from you. If you lose a credit card, you should immediately notify the credit issuer that you have either a lost or stolen car. Please take the extra time to collect those pieces of identity that the vendor requires of you. Many times people in a hurry and with the long lines, they'll hand them their driver's license or whatever piece of identity that you're using and then realize that they've walked away without recovering that stuff. When they go back, that item sometimes gets lost. And finally, keep your receipts and reconcile your statement. Report any discrepancies immediately to the credit issuers. With those simple holiday tips, I think it'll be a much more joyous season. And so, from our Olympic family, we have a simple message to your family.